So today we are here to present the lovely chalk, chicken and dog. It has the head of a dog and tail, body, and legs of a chicken with a beak with a long tongue, wings, a nest, green, pink, blue, yellow, floppy ears. What?
But what can it do? You tell us what it can do, the skills.
It is a avid reader. It can do math problems in 2.3 seconds. Mm-hmm.
What is the long tongue for?
Actually the long tongue is for sanitizing. Sanitizing.
Okay.
This is a COVID this is a product of COVID-19 actually.
Bring me back to us. Okay, who's the next group? Who's the next group? Give me your name. Team name. Where are you from? Are you from Wrigley or are you from somewhere else?
We're from Long Beach, Florida.
Okay, Long Beach. What's your name of your team? What's the name of your team?
The Deer Hunters.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, let's get your attention to the deer what?
The Deer Hunters.
The deer hunters from Long Beach, Florida. Let's give them a hand. Woo! Make it fun for your students.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I would like to present to you Frumpy Elephant.
Oh, that's good.
Frumpy Elephant has a long garden hose nose. He has ski feet with only 2 toes.
Oh.
He is able to fly around and he gets into your thoughts. Okay.
What's special about it?
He is special because he can fly. He can read your thoughts. You don't even have to speak what you're thinking. It just automatically, when he sits on your shoulder right here, he is able to read your mind.
Ooh, is he from this planet or somewhere else?
He is from the planet Zeus.
Okay. You see